Good afternoon, I'm Anil Mall. I'm here with Anthony Dutton, CEO and Director of Cannex Capital on the CSE. Why don't you start by telling us a little bit about Cannex, who you are, what you guys do?
So Cannex Capital is a Canadian public company. We think of ourselves as a Canadian public holding company that has operating U.S. assets. We own the largest cultivator processor in Washington State, or we own the assets of that company. And then secondly, we've recently disclosed that we're acquiring a large company in California that should close over the next few weeks. So we're really focused on U.S. operations, the U.S. opportunity. We still think there's great opportunity in Canada, but for the time being, there's 300 million people in the U.S., there's 30 million people in Canada. Really south of the border is where the market is and where a lot of people are right now. So that's our focus.
Completely. It's exciting times in the industry. Why don't you tell us a little bit about some of your recent catalysts and milestones maybe in the next 3 to 6 months that you guys are expecting?
Sure. Well, we went public on the 14th of March, and at the time we were the largest capital raise of a Canadian public company focusing on the U.S. I think that's changed over the last 6 months. There's been a lot of other companies coming into this sector, but we really came out with a very strong profile, so that was a huge catalyst for us. And then obviously acquiring the assets of the Washington State company was another one. And again, being a capital markets company, we're looking to grow by venturing into new states other than Washington and California, and so we see some other catalysts on the horizon of that kind.
Great. It's a growing market and it's exciting times, like I mentioned earlier. My last question to you is maybe a little bit about your experience as a company being listed with the CSE on the CSE Exchange.
Well, to be honest with you, it's been a phenomenal experience. They were very, very supportive of us and the industry overall. I think they've made a great step in being leaders in this whole sector, and it's showing very well for them. Our lawyers at Macmillan, our bankers at Beacon have worked with the CSE extensively, and when we came along and to work with them, it was really a painless experience and very, very professional. Very pleased with what we did.
Great. We're happy to hear that you're having a good experience. And again, I'm looking forward to seeing the company grow and the team grow. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.